So I can get another flat.
Oh! Bowls an absolute jaffer, pitching leg, slow wicket spinning. Big Marzo, you just don't want to give him any width early here. Oh, that's about where I want it. So Joshy's run at me the last one. I still reckon we bowl our best ball here. Oh, a bit wide. Gave him some room, probably one. Bit of lack of respect there, I'd say. Marzo, he might run at me. Might run at me again here. Ow! Sweeping off the stumps, it's always dangerous. Yeah. Oh, that was fun.
Yeah, that was it.
Matthews, go a bit slower here. See if he wants to run. Blow in the party. Oh, he didn't want to play, but it's still only a dot. Win to me. It's a lot of movement in Joshy's.
Yeah, where's he from?
Harvey Bay. Moved up 2 or 3 years ago to have a crack. Marzo's probably going to want to feel bat on ball here. Let's try and get him hitting it straight a little bit quicker.
Sorry, mate.
Nah, missed my line. Still only a dot or one. The spinners are still on top. Daisy's bowling pretty well. Yeah, can't do anything with that. See how Daisy bowled into the wicket there and still gripped. Didn't bowl slower, he still bowled into it. Got that bounce, which is what you're looking forward to. Joshy Matthews. Probably be a bit bored here. Have a crack. No, unlike Josh, playing him under his nose. It's only a dot though.
Good dots here, Sammy. Good dots here.
Daisy maybe running here. Oh no, we're all over him. Marzo's going to want to hit out here.
Daniel, where's your Scorchers shirt, mate?
It's in the washing machine, mate.
And your other one?
I just bought these, mate.
That's a win. All about the length to Marzo. Big strong lad, you miss it, he'll send you along.
Right guys, last one each. 2 to win. It's only 4 in the circle, 5 outside.
Probably still looking to hit my Yorker here. What line? Yeah, always go Yorker fast in this sort of scenario. Try and hit 3rd or 4th stump so he can't free his arms up. Yeah, that's a win. I'm happy with that. Still hitting that length.